Okay, hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Carrera Sydney. I've got this Porsche 3.2 Carrera I was working on yesterday and the day before for the actual doing the compression check and the valve leak down test. As you see on the video, the valve leak down test was pretty bad. You can actually have a look here. The cylinder number 1 was just holding 22 psi. This is how much pressure the actual cylinders are holding when we put 100 psi in. Usually you put in 100, you should be holding something around 95, 96. There's nothing is perfect. But at least 6%, 5-6% is acceptable. But if you can look, 92, cylinder number 3 was holding 92 psi, but the rest was low, but especially the actual cylinder number 1 was 22 psi. So now I'm going to check we haven't started the engine up yet. Now I'm going to use one of these. 23 psi, 23 degrees, 22, 23, engine crankcase, 23 degrees. So it's pretty much 23 degrees. I'm going to start the car up and see how the car runs compared to these values here. Just looks like a top end rebuild, meaning just a cylinder heads off and get the valve stem seals cleaned up, because compression was each cylinder here was done before was at 180 psi. So just a top end rebuild. Alright, so now we're going to start it up to see how the car runs when you have a value like this. And I'll tell you right now, the car will still run normal. Alright, now I'm just going to prime it up. Start up. Go to rev. It's starting to warm up. Once it starts to warm up, the actual idle is good and the car runs just like this. As you can see, there was no smokes coming from the exhaust at all, and the car, once the car starts to warm up, it backs off and then start running, start idling okay. So just the initial startup, it goes up and down, but after that, back to normal. See if you can. I've seen other cars, not a Porsche, but like different kind of cars, different makes and models, have values high, like low like that, and the car can't even start. and there's smoke everywhere. When you start the car up, there will be smoke coming out from the back. A lot of problems, but I'm just showing you that you can have a value like this and you can still drive your car with no smoke coming out the back. Alright? So thanks for watching and please subscribe.